it's Miss Jessie again, coming to you from my dining room for another virtual STEM lesson. Today we're going to be making ice cream. It's something that I've been craving a lot over the last month, so I thought, why not make it myself? So the ingredients that you're going to need for this is ice, salt. I have rock salt, but you can use regular salt, sugar, and then if you want to make vanilla, you're going to add vanilla extract, but I'm going to make mine chocolate and I don't have any chocolate syrup, so I'm going to add a little bit of cocoa and see how that turns out. I also have one smaller reuse sealable bag and a larger sealable bag. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour some of this ice into the big bag and try not to make a mess. And then I have about a half a cup of salt and I'm gonna add that in there. And I'm gonna put this over to the side. Mix it down all in there. And then in the smaller bag, I'm gonna add some half and half, about half a cup. And I forgot to mention that you need half and half, but you can also use milk or cream, whatever works. So I'm going to pour that in there. And then I have a tablespoon of sugar that's going to go in there. And then the cocoa. Try not to drop anything. So I'm going to seal this up, get some of that air out. Make sure it is sealed. And then I'm going to sort of mix this around, try and get that cocoa all mixed in there, and the sugar too. You really want to make sure that the sugar's dissolved before you put it into mix. So chocolate syrup would work better than the cocoa, I think, because I think it would mix a bit better. Alright, now that that's probably as mixed as I'm going to get it, I'm going to put it into my ice and salt. I'm going to close that bag. So what the salt does is it lowers the freezing point of the water, so it actually is below 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. So it's making it colder so that the liquid in your other bag with the half and half or milk or cream freezes. So now I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes, wrap this in a towel and shake it for that time. I'm actually going to put some music on and have a little bit of a dance break while I do this, so feel free to do that at home as well. So my timer just went off, so now it's time to see whether the half and half mixture with the sugar and my cocoa turned into ice cream. Just gonna close this back up and put it back in that ice bowl. Wipe this down. Well, I think because it was so over the bag, it's sort of spread out a bit. But it definitely looks like some ice cream in there. I'm going to scoop it into my bowl. And I'm going to add to the chocolate by adding some chocolate chips. But you can put M&Ms, Oreos, whatever toppings you like on your ice cream. So now for the real moment of truth. What does it taste like? That's delicious. So I've had so much fun making ice cream today, and I can't wait to see you girls make your own ice cream. And stay safe out there. We miss you. I'm now gonna go eat some ice cream. Bye.